Hi guys, I'm Prakash and welcome to Sassy Life. I hope you all are having a great time and happy winters. I'm back from Hong Kong like 2 weeks back and this is Hong Kong at night. We were on a double-decker bus and exploring this highly concrete crowded city and its nightlife. It was fun and we had a really great time. We first went to Macau and then to Hong Kong and had an amazing time. Now would tell you about my whole trip in my Hong Kong and Macau shopping haul video, so stay tuned, and if you have yet not subscribed to my channel, do hit the subscribe button and don't forget to press the bell icon. So I should stop blabbering and get back to today's DIY. Now Christmas and New Year is round the corner and we are halfway to the last month of 2017. So be a Santa to your loved ones and make these beautiful body lotion bars, which is very easy to make and a perfect gift for your loved ones. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started. All that you will need is coconut oil. Here I'm using Nativa's coconut oil. Coconut oil is really good for your skin. It's really hydrating. Then you need castor oil. It's a thick oil but again good for your skin. Some vitamin E oil or capsule, whatever is available with you. Then 100% natural beeswax. Here I have a chunk of beeswax and I have chopped it off in small parts so that it is easier for me to mix in and melt it down. Then some essential oil. One is petochi and one is frankincense essential oil. You can use any essential oil of your choice. And then fragrance oil. Here I'm using rose garden fragrance oil. Then some dried rose petal leaves and a silicone mold. I have a flower shaped silicone mold to freeze my body butters. Then some measuring spoons, a small bowl and a larger bowl to create a double boiler. Now I have got hot water in the larger bowl and now I'll place the small container on top of it. This creates a double boiler. To this I'm adding 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Since in winters it is solidified, so you need to melt it down. And also to this I will be adding 1 tablespoon of beeswax. Now I'm adding the beeswax in it. And now you have to let it sit for quite some time and it really takes a lot of time. So be patient till it melts down and become a runny consistency just like so. Now just remove it from the double boiler thing and add in your castor oil. And to this I'm adding 1 teaspoon of castor oil and just mix in it. Now while I was mixing, the beeswax got really solidified quite quickly, so I had to place it again on the double boiler and let it melt again. So while it was melting, I thought of putting in my vitamin E capsules. So by one I just cut it off the capsule and squeezed in all the oil that it had. Now vitamin E oil are again really good for your skin. It is also called beauty vitamin and it also increases the shelf life of your body butter bars. Now to this I will add 5 to 7 drops of both the essential oil, that is petochi and frankincense essential oil. And then finally I will add the fragrance oil. Since I'm using rose fragrance oil body lotion bars, so I'm adding 7 to 8 drops of the rose garden fragrance oil. Now just mix and then pour in your rose petal flowers and it would look really beautiful once it will solidify. So just place the rose petal and then pour in 2 tablespoons in each, and these are really small lotion bars, so it's really good for one application and it will get completely over in one complete application of your whole body. Now I have poured it in the silicone mold and let it sit for some time. You can leave it for overnight, or just to speeden up the process you can put it in the freezer. Now I have put it in the freezer for half an hour, and this is how it is when it comes out. Now all that you have to do is just pop them off, and this measurement or this quantity made approximately 9 small little body lotion bars just like this, and I hope you can see how beautiful these have turned out to be. Now just pop them off and your beautiful body lotion bars are ready to use. Just pack them up and you are good to go and gift them to your loved ones. So that was all for the lotion bars. I hope you have liked this video. Now that brings us to the end of this video. Don't forget to give a thumbs up and comment down below if you like this video. And Christmas is nearing by, so do try this out and gift it to your loved ones. I'll see you in my next video. Stay healthy. Till then, have fun. Bye.